Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Bobby's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Rwandan dish known as ubugari and ubunyobwa. Ubugari is cassava and ubunyobwa is peanut. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you next time.